Ramboda Falls is in the nuwaraeliya district of Sri Lanka. It is the country's 11th tallest waterfall, standing 109 meters high and ranked 729th in the world. Located 945 meters above sea level, it offers crisp air and stunning views. The waterfall is fed by the Puna, a tributary of 𝙒𝙖𝙩𝙬𝙖, and flows through the lush Busel lava area along the A5 highway at Ramboda Pass. The Puna splits into 3 segments, enhancing the landscape's beauty. Surrounded by a rich forest, Ramboda Falls is home to diverse flora and fauna, thriving in the cool highland climate. The dense foliage adds to the scenic beauty and creates a peaceful ambience. Each segment of the waterfall offers unique views, with water cascading down rugged terrain and creating mist that often forms rainbows. Its proximity to main Colombo-Kandy-Nuwaraeliya road makes it easily accessible, attracting both locals and tourists. Ramboda Fall is a natural retreat, offering a peaceful break from daily life and showcasing the timeless beauty of Sri Lanka's landscape.